Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download custom fonts for InShot, so you can make videos and text even more unique and creative. If you are tired of using the same old fonts, this is the perfect tutorial for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the option of video. Simply tap on it and add the video that you want to edit. Here you can find the option of text. Now simply tap on it. Now again tap onto the text option right here. Type in whatever text you want to add to your video. After typing your text, here you can find the option of A. Now tap on it. Then here you can find there are the option of download fonts. Now tap onto the bucket button. So here are a lot of fonts that you can download to add to your video. Now tap on to the unlock button, and here you can find two options to download it. You can either download it by buying, or you can simply watch our ad and unlock it for free. And that's it. Now you know how to download new fonts for InShot and add them to your videos. It's a great way to make your text more unique and help your videos stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.